Okay, hiya, Paul here from Autovolt. Just showing you a couple of new looms we've got up and running. So first of all, we've got our main beam piggyback loom. So basically same idea as the rest of them. We've got our plug in each side, which obviously plugs into the vehicle, and then we have got our breakout, which enables you to plug in any accessory, light board, light bar, sorry, LEDs, whatever floats your boat, safely without breaking into the vehicle itself's wiring. Our next one we've got, actually didn't really think of this one, so many people asked me for it, so I was like, yeah, well, I'll make it. This one is for reverse lights, so again, plug in each side, and then we've got our little breakout. So I'll just show you first of all. I find that my Ranger's 2022 PX3, I think, I find anyway, on the driver's side headlight you've got more room. I've a bit of a strobe light here from an LED light, but yeah, so you've more room compared to passenger side, because you've obviously got your battery, you've got another component there in your way, so no point making life hard for yourself. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what plug do I need to pull out, because I have had, believe it or not, a couple of people send back things saying I don't have a plug in my car, and it's like, yeah mate, you definitely do. So this here plug here, let's see if I can get in here to show you. It's actually more room than what I'm making it out to be here. So this plug here, this here, long plug, not that white one, but the one underneath it. You'll know because, believe it or not, it looks like the one that you're going to be plugging in. So all we have to do is stick our hand down. There is a wee tab that you push in, just there, not that red thing but in front of it, and what that does is, if you can see, lifts that wee bit to let that pull off. So yeah, stick your hand in, the tab is on the bottom, you'll feel it more than, so push it in, you'll hear it click, and it should hopefully pop out just like yawn, like that. So yeah, that there's what we have now. Sorry, hold on, I made that stupid light. I thought that would have made life easier, but no. So yeah, so when I have this here, so funny enough, all we are going to do is plug this end in. So dead easy, just get your plug, push it in, you'll hear it click like that. Then you'll not believe it, but this other plug here now goes onto the plug that you just took off down here. So remember, plug to the bottom, so we're turning around that way. Personally, I wouldn't push that wee red tab in, it just locks things, it just makes it more difficult to get off. For don't put it on, I kind of, it's the way I had to buy the plugs. It's a bit of a security, it'll never come off if you push it on. Well, it will come off, it just make it more awkward for you to come off. So yeah, all we're going to do is push back on to where we have down here. Again, you're going more by feel than by sight, unless you can see in there. If you can, you're a better person than me. So there we go, that's us connected on. So now we have two wires. We have obviously our positive red, we have our negative black. Now what I will say at this point is, whenever you're going in the main beam wiring, you are more than likely going to have a high powered light bar or spotlights up in your roof or in your grill, or you're going to have something that's going to put out a significant amount of light. That's the idea of it, let's face it, that's why we're all doing it. I must emphasize, can't emphasize, sorry, enough, you must fit a relay. If you don't fit a relay, if you fit these 2 wires onto, say, this big light bar, it'll just burn your wiring. You know, you don't want to do it. It's just like going back to the old days of XR3Is and all. Fords, Cortinas, everything, spotlights, you need to fit a relay. If not, you're going to burn your switch out. So I do sell piggyback fuses. I do recommend putting that in, because if you are silly enough to just try and wire this direct up to a higher powered lights or spots in your roof or pods or whatever you're going to have up there, it'll just pop a fuse. You know, rather than throwing up faults and all the rest. So yeah, just do have a bit of savvy. I'm here for advice. Before you just start connecting things up, fire me a message, give me a ring. I've always got my phone not too far away. If I don't answer, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, basically I will make another video showing the connection from our piggyback main beam loom to a relay and how to fit the relay, and I will also be buying relays that I know are sufficient, so it's going to be dead easy for you guys. Just well, you can buy your own relay, you can buy them cheap as chips anywhere, eBay, Amazon, whatever, but I'm actually engineering one to fit specifically to fit my looms for the reverse. So it's going to have the exact length of wire from the back of the car to the front wire. It's all going to be plug and play. Watch my video, listen to me talk a load of nonsense. So yeah, anyway, the next video, as I say, I will make showing how this connects to the relay. Hopefully that helps, and speak to you soon.